Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards. Capricorn, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Capricorn, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energies. So that reading may answer your questions or clear your doubts regarding your situation, guys. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's start the reading with these cards, guys. So Capricorn, we have Knight of Swords, Hermit in reverse and Tower in reverse. So in your situation, guys, maybe in your career situation or in your relationship, maybe you are having some kind of fear. You are afraid of something, maybe worried. You are worried about your future in your work, or it may be some worries in this relationship. You don't know where this relationship is going. So some kind of fear because of that. And for some of you, it may even be an unreasonable fear. You need not fear so much or worry so much for something that has not yet happened or unfolded in your life. But you are worried even before that circumstance has come to be true. So it may be something, it may be stressing you, guys. So once that happens, you can be worried even before happening, but that is your nature. You try to be really careful and you try to take precautions in any situation. So even in your work, you think ahead, plan things ahead, and you don't want yourself in some difficult situation, guys. That may be the reason you are taking some precautions or worried about certain things, maybe in your work or in your relationship. But people around you may feel that you are behaving in an unreasonable way. Taking precautions may not, that to this extent may not be necessary. And you are someone who is, maybe your circumstances are such that today, guys, you are planning something ahead. Maybe you are resisting some changes in your situation, maybe, or there are people resisting your work, opposing your ideas or your way of doing things. So it may be a circumstance in your career or it may be in this relationship. Maybe this person, they are opposing you some ways. You may have some kind of an argument or some stressful situation in this relationship. Maybe they are trying to show their anger and resentments through these arguments or fights. So some negative situation may be there in your work or it may be in your career situation, guys. So some difficulties, though you are trying to avoid them, you are in some difficult situation, guys, Capricorn. So the card for your relationship, it's Nine of Pentacles in reverse. So in your relationship, maybe, guys, this person you love, maybe they are not what they seem to be. So in the beginning you would have trusted them, you would have felt attraction, love towards this person, But today you feel that the way they are, the words they are speaking, or their behavior, it states that you cannot trust them and rely on this person. Maybe they have changed and they are not to be trusted. Maybe they are having some kind of grudge or some resentments towards you. That may be the reason for this energy here, guys. Maybe it may be your energy or their energy towards you, guys. So for your career situation, guys, we have 8 of wands in reverse. So with this card in your career situation, guys, even in your career there are people who are jealous of you, guys, and they are working against you. So the difficult situation may be because of jealousy. So someone is resenting your growth and success and the way you are efficient. So that may be the reason we have these energies here, guys. So if you identify who it is, you need to stay away from that person, guys, Capricorn. So that is the reading for you all today, Capricorn. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So we will start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. For those who chose this card, it says harmony. So in your situation, guys, in any circumstances in our daily life, we see that harmony is missing in our day-to-day life, in our society or in our circumstances, and conflict seems to be the norm. We are in so much stress, anxiety, and to bring peace and harmony, it is a really difficult thing. It is something that is that needs to be worked on, guys, to bring that peace and harmony in our day-to-day life. And we need to understand that all this stress, conflict, anxiety, what is the reason for that? The reason for that is our thoughts. So we are always worried or we are always thinking about certain things, and we have fear and judgment in our thoughts, in our mind. That is the reason we face so many conflicts in our day-to-day life. So to obtain peace and happiness, we must first learn to quieten our mind, guys, and be able to see our situation objectively from a different point of view, just like a third person. So when we see our situation from a different perspective and the people in our situation differently, we will be able to find harmony and accepting others as they are without any expectation. That is going to fill our life with peace and happiness. And when we open our heart to let this harmony flood us and change the situation around us, bit by bit our world will change. So the people and the circumstances we are in will change, and that change should start from us, guys. So that is the energy. So we should be able to relate that harmony first to ourselves, then to our circumstances. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, That is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card, we have poisoned apple, jealousy. So in your situation, guys, maybe there is a person who is really close to you, who wants you to think of them as a friend, but they may be holding some grudge against you and they are jealous of you, and they are finding the right way to approach you to harm you. So you need to be really careful with this person. And also, guys, in your circumstances, there are certain things coming towards you. It may look like a gift, but it is a temptation that is going to poison your soul, and that is going to push you into some difficult circumstances. So you need to refuse it right away. But even if you choose it, maybe you are too tempted or you cannot avoid it, and maybe you do not know the truth about these choices and you accept it. You need not fear, guys, the choice or the decisions that you have made, because the pain that you will go through in this journey, it is going to give you that gift of insight and experience, and it is going to give you clarity in your relationships. So you are a target of jealousy and revenge. So if you are able to avoid that person, maybe you may know who it is. If you can, you need to avoid them, guys, and you need to think clearly. If you are making some important choices or decisions in your life, you should think for yourself and not trust others, not trust anyone in these circumstances. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. So thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.